Creating a story map journal. Part 1, getting started. Start with a completed ArcGIS online map. You will see here that I have a map entitled National Park. And on this map, I have some selected national parks, Yellowstone, Glacier. And so what we're going to do is we're going to actually make a story map kind of highlighting the details of this national park. I also have a USA Federal Lands layer on there. This is more to show you how to add the layers or remove the layers from your story map a little bit later. So the first thing you want to make sure you do is make sure you've saved your map. From there, you want to click on Share. And once on the share screen, you want to make sure you create a web app. From here, we're going to select Build a Story Map. For this class, we're going to work with story map journals. So select Story Map Journal. And you may have to scroll down a little bit to create the app. Now you have to scroll back up to make sure you have a name. And this is the name that appears in your My Content folder in ArcGIS Online. And so everything looks fine here. I'm actually going to put a different name because I may have another national park story map already made. Hit done. And it's already started to launch the application. Gives you two options. You can have a floating panel that kind of hovers in when you hover over the screen, or a side panel. I like the side panel, so I'm just going to stick with that. And this is where you enter in your story map title. Go ahead and click, and this is basically the home screen for your story map. You have, as you can see over here, a main stage and a side panel. And in the next video, we're going to show you how to go from here and actually create the story map. And so that's how you basically go from working with your map and then to launching the story map.